Imagine you're a monkey sitting in a tree. You're holding a coconut when you spy a hunter with a blow dart, which is aimed right at you. You release the coconut, and the question is, what does the blow dart bullet, what does it hit? Way over there. Now, this is an interesting application of mechanics here. I have two different objects that are moving, the blow dart and the monkey, or not the monkey, but the monkey's coconut. And gosh, this demonstration takes a while to set up, so it's a pleasure to share it with you on video. So I'm going to disarm this, and what we have here to make this work, to try to get the to remove the reaction time of both the hunter and the monkey, is that I have this photo gate which has an infrared light here. You'll notice when I block the path between it and the sensor up here, I get this red light which indicates that it's been broken. I'm going to put this ball down the muzzle of this thing, and right now it should be blocking. Well, maybe it's not blocking, but once it comes out of that muzzle, it's going to block that beam. That's going to send a signal. Where's the signal? The signal is from the photo gate here that goes over to this box right over here, that then goes down this cord all the way across the room, and that causes the monkey to drop. In this case right here, we're going to have the monkey drop rather than the coconut, but I'll just remind you, no animals are hurt in this process. So let me push down on the muzzle. This is hard to do without three hands. I'll just put the camera down for a second. I shoved that down the throat of the gun, and now it's loaded. I'm going to rearm this thing. So now when that beam gets interrupted, the monkey's going to fall. So let me, I've got this string here which I'm going to pull on, and when I pull on this thing, it's going to cause the ball to come out. So let's focus on the monkey here, and you'll probably hear it better than you'll see it, especially with my coordination on the camera here. So listen very carefully. 3, 2, this is a little too shaky. 3, 2, told me the battery was low. 3, 2, 1, go. Do you hear that smack? That smack was the monkey being hit by the ball. Now, why does this happen? Again, it's good to draw a picture here. And in the picture, we label the before and after of the blow dart and the coconut or monkey over here. I label everything that I know. And when I look at the kinematics of this, for the blow dart, there's motion in the X and the Y direction. I'll ignore the X direction and just look at the Y direction. Here's what I have. There's going to be the first term that goes to 0. The second term is just the undeflected, unaccelerated position that that bullet would arrive at, which is namely the original height of the monkey. And this is the amount that it falls away from that straight line. Now if I look at the coconut, there's nothing happening in the X direction. And in the Y direction, again, I have the original height, which is h. Now the second term cancels, and the third term is the same 1/2 g delta t squared that I had up above. This is why the coconut and bullet arrive at the same place, as long as I give the bullet enough oomph so that it doesn't hit the ground first.